What up, YouTube? Mike coming back with another video today. Today I'm going to be talking about the Chinese electric car manufacturer NIO. On Friday they dropped around 15%, $1.85 in market hours, and then another 9 cents in after hours. If you're curious on why the stock dropped, it's because of a Goldman Sachs analysis named Fei Feng believes that the stock is overvalued at the moment, and he believes the accurate price target for NIO is around $7. He believes that this stock gained too much hype this past month, where it was trading around $7 around June 25th, and then not even in a month, it doubled in price very quickly. And he believes that this growth does not, he doesn't believe he believes that the stock grew way too popular and believes that the stock should go down to $7. But some good news to counteract that is CN Tech Post, a Chinese website that takes tech news and posts it. They report that NIO's 50,000 car rolls off assembly line at Hefei manufacturing facility. This is awesome because that is going to beat the company's expectations for cars delivered in July. So when it comes to around earnings on expected September 22nd, the stock could shoot up again massively. But in my honest opinion, since the stock has been beaten up this past week, if you are interested in this stock, I would recommend now being a good time to purchase in. This coming Monday, I'm going to be increasing my position. If the stock drops even more, that would be awesome. But if the stock does skyrocket or go back up above $11 where it's trading at now, I'm gonna continue watching it. My price target will be below $11. I am going to be watching this market this week heavily because a lot of the stocks I am in right now are electric stocks like NIO, SPAC, SBMRG, Shell, and Workhorse. A lot of these stocks are going to be fluctuating significantly these upcoming week because Tesla is reporting their earnings this upcoming Wednesday and can be either make it or break it for these stocks, electric stocks, because if Tesla has significant movement, so does these other electric vehicle stocks. So this stock has potential to be going back up this week if the hype around Tesla is good based around their earnings, but it could continue to go down. And if that does, if that does come true, sorry about that, I'm getting tangled with my words. If that does happen, then I will be purchasing more shares of NIO when it does drop. So I only own 4.48 shares. It's a 1% of my portfolio with a total market value of $49.33. I am down $5.67. I am happy when I did purchase these shares, not investing more because the stock has been on a consistent downtrend this entire week. So it'll be interesting to see what happens this upcoming week. Tell me what you guys think of NIO and if you are in the stock. Thanks guys for listening to this video, and till next time, peace.